Hey Eddie, Tom Career at Mercedes-Benz Scarborough. I want to put a quick video walk around of your Sprinter together for you and show you the interior, exterior, some of the features on it real quick. So 2022 2500 144 high roof 4x4 Sprinter. It is a high roof, as you can see. I'll pan over to the low roof over there. So you see we've got a couple high roofs right here in a row, but yours is the one with the sold sign on it there. We've got blue-gray in color, the black bumpers, the black wheels. This is a diesel. I'm going to come around to the rear here, show you. You've got trailer hitch with the step, which is a nice little option. Unlock it helps. And we've got the full wood floor as well as paneling on the walls that we saw. Step is handy to get in. We got lights in the workspace back here, and then the black leatherette seats here up front with power seats as well as memory and heated seats there on the doors, driver and passenger. Got power mirrors and windows, parking brake, automatic lights, automatic wipers. Got full color digital display in the center of the gauge cluster and the 10.25 inch MBUX screen here for your infotainment, which does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got your four-wheel drive right behind the steering wheel there with low range, which is the second button there, and then all your climate controls in the middle. It's hard to see, but you'll see inside here. I am over 6 feet tall, more than enough room to stand up, as this is the high roof. Did want to show you that. But that is a real quick overview of your vehicle. If you have any questions or anything, give me a shout, 207-510-2286. Thanks.